Here on Living Healthy Chicago, we love a good healthy habit that promotes mental well-being. And today, we're going to check one out that's very popular for that, yoga. So let's meet a woman who describes it as an essential part of her week.
Pull the shoulder blades apart. Good.
Sometimes the best way to pick up a healthy habit is to find out what works for others.
Hi, my name's Olivia, and I'm an RD nutritionist. Yoga is my healthy habit because it helps me come to my breath.
Keep this depth. Inhale here. Exhale, twist a couple more inches.
So Olivia, yoga is a really great healthy habit and a popular one at that.
Yes.
And everyone that practices has their reason for doing yoga. What's yours?
In the class, I'm able to focus on my breathing, move slowly. I'm able to release, the small things from the day that were stressful, frustrating, and I get to focus on my self-care.
Mindfulness is a big part of yoga. Does that help you have any other mental benefits?
I have found that the more consistent I am with my yoga practice, the more that I can bring that into my life. So slowing down and having to hold in uncomfortable postures can help me to sit with some of the discomfort that you might feel in your own life. And so a space where you can kind of center and focus with your breath and be really present in the moment. And it helps me do that on a day-to-day basis too.
I mean, how often do we actually take a deep breath in our everyday life?
And
Never.
not enough.
Shallow.
Let's take one right now.
Yeah.
Inhale, rise up to stand.
You talked about holding poses, and we know yoga is made up of a lot of different poses. How does that help you, in your physical being?
Yeah. So holding those poses, I think, really challenges a lot of smaller muscle groups that I don't often engage if I'm just focusing on triceps or biceps or glutes. I always notice that when I'm consistently doing yoga, I feel like my core is a lot stronger. I feel like my muscles are a lot leaner and longer.
As a registered dietitian, nutritionist, you are taking care of other people.
Yes.
You're making sure they're staying healthy.
Yes.
And this is allowing you to stay
My
healthy.
self-care. Yeah.
How do you find time for it?
It's something that it's a non-negotiable. Like if I can't take care of myself, I can't take care of other people. So I make sure that I can either carve out time in the morning or the evening. And if I can't make it to a class, it's something that I'm doing at home or I'm doing some sort of joyful movement.
Can we try some yoga?
Let's do it.
Awesome.
Turn the biceps a little bit more forwards. Broaden the shoulder blades. Exhale, side bend to the right. Inhale to center. Exhale, side bend left. Inhale, center, separate.
If you have a healthy habit you want us to check out, let us know on Facebook or Twitter or tag us on Instagram at Living Healthy TV. Do you want more Living Healthy content? Well, check out these videos right here and then subscribe for more right here.